Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing standing hip isolations. This is great if you've got a little low back pain or if you want to tune into your
This
hips a
is a
little bit.
demonstration of doing hip
Um,
isolations,
I like to use a
and
strap when
using
doing
the hip
this. I just
strap
tie the strap
around
at the
the top
top
of my
of my
hips
hips.
so
This
that
gives you
it's
a
easier to see the
just
movement
physical
because
cue,
my
also a
leg
visual
closed.
cue, so that you know
So
that you're
you can
actually
also
moving your
use a
hips.
strap or some sort of a
I just
cue
do a
if that
basic
also
double
helps
half
you.
hitch
This is actually a
on
technique
my
that I
strap that I'm
learned
using. You can
as a
use whatever you have
dancer
in
to learn
hand.
how
If
to
you've
do
got a
hip
scarf or a
isolation.
belt,
So I'm
whatever
simply
you'd like to
going to
use.
just
I'm
tie
going to
it. You're
rotate
going
it
to
around
rotate it
so that the
around so the
bow is not
bow is
distracting.
not distracting.
Okay.
Okay.
And I
So
like
when
to
we
do
do
mine
hip
with my hips just
isolations,
outside of
you can
my
stand
actual
with your
hip
feet
width.
close together. You
You
can
can
open them
certainly
up a little
experiment with
bit.
where
The
you would
knees
like your feet.
absolutely have
Your
to be
knees
bent in
have to be
order for
soft in order
this to happen.
for
Someone who's
this
not
to
specifically trained
work,
to
unless
use
you
the
are
abdominal
a
muscles
trained
to move the hips.
dancer, belly
We're
dancer
just trying to
specifically.
bring
So
awareness.
because we're
So
going to
I'm just going
use
to start
the
with a
knees,
basic
bending the knees
side to
to
side.
move the hips, because the
And
point of this
as
is
we
to
move
bring
the hips
awareness
up
to the
and
hip area.
down,
So
the
as you
knees
bend
are
a
also
knee, the other hip
moving in
pops up.
order
So
to
bend, bend,
create
bend,
that movement.
bend,
So it
and
goes down the
practice this.
chain,
It takes
and we
practice
do this to bring
to
awareness
get
to this area
comfortable
of our
with this.
body.
Be
And then
silly.
if you want to
Have
make
fun
those
with this.
movements
Go ahead and
slower,
experiment
and go
with
ahead
different
and
speeds,
work
different ways that
with
you
your
want to do it.
abs,
You can see me
you can
demonstrating
certainly do
here. I
that.
am actually using my
Okay, and
abdominals
that's
to try to get my
what that
hips to
looks like
move
on an
somewhat
unpracticed
unsuccessfully.
person. Okay,
Okay,
so
so
up
go
and
back to the
down,
knees. There
a
we
really
go.
easy way to
And
do
back
it
to the
is just
knees and just moving the
gentle bend
hips
in the
up and
knee.
down.
And if you want,
Okay,
you can
and we're going to speed
go
it up.
ahead and make it faster. Teach yourself how to
Okay,
do a little
and
shimmy. Okay.
if you want to
All
get into
right.
a
So
full shimmy, you
now
make
let's
your
go
knee bend
forward and
shorter.
backward. So
Okay,
we're going to
now
bring
we're going to
our
go forward
foot
and
forward
backward. And
and the
again,
other
we
foot
want to keep the
forward.
knees soft,
Forward
and you're just going to
and
thrust
backward
one hip
and
forward
backward.
and the other one back
So
and
the way that I was
alternate
taught to
back
do
and
this is to
forth.
keep the knees
Okay,
bent
and you can
and
see I'm adding a
to
little bit of a
roll
rotation in
the
there.
hip back.
When you add the
And so you can see it's
rotation,
more than
what
just the
basically what
hip
you're doing
is
is
moving
drawing a
here,
figure
but
eight with your
again, this is
hips.
how
And
we
this, again,
create
just helps
awareness
to
in this
bring
part of the body.
awareness to the
Okay, and go
area. It
ahead
also is a
and go
really
back.
great way to tone your
Just
glutes, tone your
knee bend,
abs, get your hamstrings
moving them back and
involved.
forth.
Um,
Okay,
and
now
then
we're
going
going to
back
do the
to the
tilt
up
and the rock.
down movement.
Okay, again, knees
Okay.
soft, not
And
necessarily bent.
now we're going
So
to
again,
go
do this with the knees
to
bent.
tilt and
But
rock.
we
Okay.
definitely do not want a locked knee. You
So
can't move your
again,
pelvis
knees
if your
have to be
knees are locked.
soft.
Okay, so we're going to tuck
All right. So
forward
forward,
and we're going to tuck back.
backward.
We're
And
going to tuck
using the
forward
pubic bone
and
and
we're
the
going to tuck
tailbone as your
back.
landmark is
Forward
a really
and back.
good way
Forward
to think
and
about
back.
this
So I'll
movement if
turn
this is not a
sideways
movement that
so
you're
that you can
used
see
to.
this.
So
Okay,
side
forward
demonstration, forward,
and back.
backward,
Forward
forward,
and back. So a
backward,
good landmark
forward,
to use for this
backward.
is the
And
pubic bone and
again,
the
please
tailbone.
remember,
Pubic bone stays
only
forward,
do like the
tailbone swings back.
amplitude of the movement that
Pubic bone
feels
forward,
comfortable in your body.
tailbone swings back.
Do the speed that
Okay,
feels comfortable
and
in your
then last
body.
but not
Don't try to
least,
overdo it.
let's
All
go
right,
ahead and
and now
draw
last and not
great
least,
big
we're going to do
circles.
circles with our hips.
Okay,
Okay, so just
and we'll go ahead and go
imagine
the other
that
direction
you are going to draw a big, huge
and draw
circle.
those great big
Get
circles.
your whole hip, your
Right?
entire pelvis
This is
involved
how
in
you
this.
do
Allow
hip
your abs to move as
isolations
you do
while
this.
standing up.
Um, I really love this exercise. It's a really good one. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.